Well, hello to all my wonderful YouTube fans. How are you doing today? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. Cause what I'm doing today, I want to talk to everybody about Beta Software and also Clean Slick 2. He also has a lot of computers, and the Beta Software basically ruined his computers as well. But I understand most people like the idea of testing it, but do yourself a favor. Please don't test it on a computer you are using, like your laptop or your main desktop. If you want to use the Beta Software, use it on an old computer for testing purposes, but don't install it on any of your own computers. And let me explain. Here is my main desktop computer. It's also running Beta Software. And also here is my main HP computer. It's also running the Beta Software. And I got news for you. I've been having a lot of issues with the Beta Software on both of my computers. My laptop and also my desktop back there. Now, I can also reinstall Windows on both machines, but I really truly don't want to do that. But I have a lot of personal information on this computer, but not a lot of personal information on that computer. But basically, just don't use it on your main machines, basically. And I'm going to boot these up, and I'm going to show you what I mean. I have two different types of computers. One is a HP laptop computer, and one is a desktop computer. Basically running two different OSs. One is Windows 10 Home Edition 64-bit, and one is Windows 10 Pro Edition on my Tau. And yes, I'm also running Beta Software on both computers. I don't recommend using the Beta Software on any of your main computers. If I was you, I'd get a junky computer, can also run Windows 10, and you can test the Beta Software on that hunk of crap you want to use. But I don't recommend it on your main machines, basically like your laptop or your tower computer. Let's go ahead and show you what I mean. Basically, here is my HP computer. I do all my YouTube editing on. But basically, this computer right here is absolutely a hunk of crap when it comes to Beta Software. Because this computer is slow like a snail, not tomato. Like I said, this thing is okay for I need to do stuff on it, but it takes ages to load everything on this computer. There is the computer itself. And we kind of pan down here. You kind of see there is basically your build number of the OS. I mean, Beta Software is not that bad, but it's horrible on most computers like this one. This is the reason why you should not be using Beta Software on any of your devices. Doesn't matter if it's Apple, Android, or even Windows, because you're going to have so many issues with the Beta Software. The Beta Software is not a stable operating system. Basically, your device will crash and lock up and freeze like it always will. The biggest problem with Beta is just for people who wants to test it. That's okay. If you have something that's a junky device and you don't really care about, I'd recommend installing it on that type of device, but not on your main machine. I've been having a lot of issues with the Beta Software on my brand new Tower computer. But hey, sometimes you just do things you do and you don't understand how it all works. But let's go ahead and show you what I mean. But here is my brand new desktop computer. This is a wonderful machine I have put together, but the biggest problem I've been having with this computer is the Beta Software on this machine. But basically, here's everything here. My computer name, processor, RAM, And basically down here, if you can see, this is Windows 10 Pro Edition. Here's the version number, and of course, when it came out. This is the OS build version. Again, it's okay. I'm not saying it's that bad, but sometimes this computer here will somewhat freeze and lock up, and I also have to restart it multiple times just to be able to use this computer. This is the reason why you should not use beta software on any computer or device. Same thing like me and Slick. It's also a good idea for most developers who want to develop different things for beta, but it's not always recommended. Here's the biggest problem with the beta software. You know, my computer over here was just asleep. You can kind of see there is the LED light. Means my computer turned on just by itself. I didn't touch the keyboard, didn't touch the mouse, I didn't do anything. It basically woke up by itself. This is why I have so many issues with beta software on both of my computers, my HP and also my new units right here. But yes, do I recommend it? No. I don't recommend it trying it out on any type of device. If you want to try it out, get an older computer and monkey around with the beta software that way, instead of trying to install it on your main system and also your main rig right over here. But the reason why it's called beta is everybody wants to test out new features. Hey, that's cool, but is it going to lock up and freeze? Absolutely. And that's it. You guys and girls also joining the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. And stop using beta software. Don't use it.